Hello and welcome back to the DaveTech YouTube channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to check your TV box model so you know the exact model you're using with the Onn TV.
Before we continue, here is a quick reminder. If you are browsing on Smart TV, Fire Stick or Android TV device, I would highly recommend using a VPN. This is because a VPN helps protect your privacy, it secures your connection and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN because it is fast, reliable and works smoothly on TV devices. In the description of this video, I've added a special link that you should check it out and create an account. That's it, let's continue.
So if you have your Onn TV loaded up on your home screen, head over to quick settings and then move on to all settings. From all settings, you're going to navigate down to find system. Now click on system and head over to about. Now under about, click down and scroll over to model. So if you click on model, you find the exact model you're running. You could see on my screen, this is the Onn 4K streaming box. This is the model of the device. You can use this model for searching up the device to find the exact device, maybe for repair, replacement, or probably to make another purchase and you want to get the exact same device or repurchase for that matter. So that's how you do it. That's how you get the exact model. If you found it insightful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for content just like this.